Okay, this is a Atlas 5 horsepower model 5211. I've heard a lot of people on YouTube complaining about their augers slowing down or stopping once it hits the snow. And I figured out by tightening this big bolt, whatever you want to call it, tighten it, it will spin. Just keep going with it. There's a spring in there, the clutch spring. Just keep tightening and tightening until you can't tighten it anymore, which should be good there. Then you take your 1/2 inch, put it on this, and tighten it down. And then your auger should be working. A lot of people say that when they don't spin, you can't fix them because you can't get parts. You know, the biggest thing would be that this thing here came loose. And it may come loose on you again while you're using it. You may have to re-tighten it. But that's the. So I suggest just bring a pipe wrench and a 1/2 inch with you when you're using it if you're going out doing snow jobs, just in case it does come loose. But to fix this one, you know, I took it all apart and couldn't figure it out. I couldn't find any research. Everyone kept saying that it's junk, and I figured there's no way it can be junk. So that's how I figured it out. So if you have the same problem, I'll try that and I should fix it. So, alright, thanks for watching.